Hello everyone, this is day 25, question 2 of our Leetcode activity, reveal cards in increasing order. You are given an integer array deck. There is a deck of cards where every card has a unique integer and the integer on the ith card is deck I. Okay. And you can order the deck in any order you want initially. All the cards starts from face down. And there is a process we have to perform. So let me show you the process. What we have to do is this is the input for our first example and this is the answer. So let me show you using the answer so that uh, actually what is expected that will be also be covered in this. So what we have to do, firstly we have to reveal the first top card in our deck. So this is the data structure below which we will track the revealed cards. So two is revealed, and the next element we have to add that element at the back and just simply go further. So we'll just delete it from here. Now again, or let it be. So 13, it will be added at the back. Now the next thing is 3. So 3 will be revealed and 11 will be added at the back. 5 will be revealed. 5 will be revealed, and after 5, 17 will be added to the back. Now again, 7 will be revealed as it is next, and further than 17 there is 13, so 13 will be again added at the back. After 13 there is 11, so after 13 11 will be revealed. Now 11 is revealed, 17 will be again added at the back. After 17 there was 13, so now finally after adding 13 at the back for two times, the third time it will be revealed. The next index should be again added at the back, that was 17, so 17 will be added at the back, and now finally also 17 will be revealed. So the whole process was, firstly reveal the top card and the very next card should be added at the back of the deck. Again reveal the next card and the next card will be added at the bottom of the deck. Again reveal the top card and the next card after that add it at the bottom of the deck. And the final, as you can see here, the final arrangement, the final pattern in which we reveal these numbers are increasing. So the question is, given input array, we have to return the permutation of that array in which the deck should be arranged initially, so that after following this process the sequence in which the numbers are revealed should be, the number should be increasing in order, that the reveal sequence should be increasing in order. So given a input array, return the arrangement of array, that is the, if you are given a deck we have to shuffle the deck in such an order that if we apply that process to that order, the revealing sequence of the revealing cards should be in increasing. So first of all let us think of what kind of operations are we performing. Firstly we need to always have access of the front element. Next thing, we can either add this element to some other data structure, or we can just simply push that element at the backside and pop it from the front thing. Or even if we do so, what you have to do, we have to firstly have access of front element always, and we can also we can add it to next other data structure, pop it, or just simply push it back in the same data structure and pop it. So these functionalities are provided in the data structure queue. We always have the access of the front. We can use the front. We can also push back the front and pop it. So we will use a queue. And how we will the whole algorithm work? Firstly, we will sort our given array. So this is the sorted array. If you see this example, this is the same example here, and this is the sorted form of this array. Will we return this? No, because in this you can see firstly 2 will be revealed, 3 will be added at the back, and then 5 will be revealed. So before 3, 5 was revealed. So this is not the order that we have to return, but this is the final answer that we have to reach. This should be the actual revealing sequence. So how we will do it? We'll maintain the queue of all the indexes. So here you can see, firstly I have sorted the deck, then I have declared the queue, and in the queue I have added all the indexes. Now here you can see n is the size of the deck, and we are adding all the indices in the queue. Now what we will do? We'll simply perform this, what you can say, the process that they have given to us. So this is our answer vector, this is our answer vector, this is our queue. How we will perform things? Firstly, first index we have to reveal. So that should be the smallest index. So where we will get this from? The sorted array. So what we will do? For every card in deck, that is every number in deck in the sorted order, we will firstly int index is equal to q dot front, that this is the index which we need. We'll simply first pop that. Now answer index is equal to the card, that you will first add 2. Then now if not empty, that this is not empty, until this is not empty, q dot push q dot front and q pop. That is, now once the first element was popped, that is 0 was popped, the next element, that is 1, what we will do to the next element? We'll just simply push it back and pop it, because that is what, that is the process that was given to us, that firstly add it, then the next index will go at the last. So what this queue is giving us is, we are performing this operation on the index, so that in this sorted order we know on the which index will be revealed next. So on that index we will place our next sorted order index element. This queue will give us the, what you say, this queue will give us the sequence of revealing indices. So if we know the sequence of revealing indices, we can simply place our sorted numbers in that sequence, so that they will be revealed in the order we need. So again, further, okay. So now this is already n. So now again we see 2. Now we have popped it. We go again in the this thing. Now we see 2. So in the second index we have to place our sorted orders next card. So this right now this is 0, 0th index. Then there will be uh, uh, first index, then the second index, and in the second index we'll add our next sorted, that is 3. Sorry, we have to add it here, 3. Now once this is added, we'll just simply pop 2. We'll add 3 at the back and pop 3. Now we have 4. So right now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. At the fourth index we'll add 5. We'll pop 4 and 5 will be added at the end, and it will simply pop 5. Now again 6. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the sixth thing we will add 7. 6 will be popped, 1 will be added at the back, and we'll simply pop 1. Now 7 is added. Now next card is 11. That will be at the third index. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So here we will add our 11, pop 3, add 5 at the back, pop 5. Now the next, that is 13, will be added at the first index, that is 13. So first index 13 will be added, 1 will be popped, 5 will be added at the end, and we'll do this. Now 5, just the fifth one index is remaining, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we'll add 5 and we'll pop this. Now the queue is empty, also our whole answer array is constructed. We'll just simply return answer. So now let me compare this to the answer provided by the Leetcode site. So you can see 2, 13, 3, 11, 5. Sorry, I added the index at the last, 17. Yes, sorry, 17, 7. So our answer is correct, and our logic also correct, that this queue. So the main idea of this was to take a queue, push in all the indices in it, apply the process, and applying that process on the indices will give us the sequence of the indices which will be revealed. So once we have the sequence of indices which are to be revealed, we'll simply place our cards in that manner so that it will be revealed in an increasing order. So this is how you solve the question, reveal cards in increasing order. Thank you.